And joining me on the phone now is Mr. Jim Hayerchek. He's the Chief Market Analyst for Brewer Investment Group in Chicago. Jim, always good to talk to you.
Thanks, Don.
Well, Jim, we've been talking about foreign currency exchange with you now for a couple of months, and lately you've been talking a lot about the U.S. dollar. It's been kind of on a roller coaster ride. Sometimes we've talked about the dollar being up, sometimes it's down. There appears to be a little bit of strengthening in the dollar this week. What's your take?
Well, what it looks like is the pace of the decline is slowing down in the dollar. We've also seen the Fed chairman talk about the dollar this week in an unusual move. Usually that's reserved for the treasurer. We had the European Central Bank President Trichet talking about the need for a stronger dollar. And I think this is causing traders to get a little bit nervous, maybe start covering positions and think about the long side of the dollar.
And of course, the president just concluded a trip to Asia. He was talking to the Chinese premier, who had just recently scolded the U.S. about our debt. But I think China, which holds so much of our debt, is also interested in a strong dollar, I would assume.
I believe so. I think that they are concerned that we are going to spend ourselves into another recessionary dip, and that'll bring down the value of their treasury holdings. At the same time, while they're scolding us, they continue to come to the market, as well as other foreign countries continue to come to our treasury and debt auctions and support it. So it's kind of talking out of both sides of their mouth. They talk about how bad our economy is, yet they continue to support our debt market. Is
the dollar still the predominant world currency, Jim?
I think so. I think that at one point it may have been two-thirds of the world's reserves, and maybe they're making some adjustments in different central banks, and that's what we're going through right now. But when it comes down to these auctions, and as I mentioned, the debt auctions, foreigners don't seem to back away, so I do think they still believe in the dollar.
Once again, Jim Hayerchek, he is the Chief Market Analyst of Brewer Investment Group. We're talking about foreign currency exchange, is otherwise known as Forex. If you'd like more information, you can visit their website at brewerfuturesgroup.com. Jim, thanks for the update. Talk to you next week.
Thank you, Don.